Okay, so if you have a garage door and you don't have the hinges on it, you can get something like this. And these are magnetic decoration pieces. They're made of PVC plastic, so they're outdoor. They come in different colors. So for our case, we have 2 black garage doors, and we basically pick where we want them. So we could just adjust them like this. Like, see those people over there? Those black things over there?
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah, so those are real, because those are screwed in, but these are magnetic. So it just adds that little class to your garage door. And what if you want to pull this up? You can't.
That makes sense.
That makes sense. So nobody can. And you can readjust this, move it here or there. So yeah.
What if it was screwed in? I think you could open it.
No, well, if it was screwed in, it would be on the other side of the door. So it would be able to. But all in all, they look pretty good. So yeah, if you want to upgrade your garage, then buy one of these. Thanks for watching.